Welcome to this tutorial on when to use the CyberScout mobile app. CyberScout is a powerful tool designed to help you protect your identity and prevent fraud. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts and practical examples of when to use the CyberScout mobile app. First, let's start with what CyberScout is. CyberScout is a comprehensive identity protection service that offers a range of features, including credit monitoring, identity theft insurance, and fraud alerts. The mobile app is an extension of this service, allowing you to access these features on the go. So, when should you use the CyberScout mobile app? The answer is anytime you need to monitor your credit or protect your identity. For example, if you have recently experienced a data breach or lost your wallet, you can use the app to place a fraud alert on your credit report. This will notify lenders and credit agencies to verify your identity before approving any new credit applications. Another time to use the CyberScout mobile app is when you are traveling or making large purchases. The app allows you to monitor your credit report and receive alerts if any suspicious activity is detected. This can help prevent identity theft and fraud. In addition, you can use the CyberScout mobile app to scan for security threats on your device. The app includes a range of security features, including antivirus software and a password manager. These features can help protect your device from malware and other security threats. Best practices for using the CyberScout mobile app include regularly monitoring your credit report, keeping your device and app up to date, and being cautious when clicking on links or providing personal information online. In conclusion, the CyberScout mobile app is a powerful tool for protecting your identity and preventing fraud. By using the app to monitor your credit, protect your device, and receive fraud alerts, you can help keep your personal information safe and secure. Remember to always be vigilant and cautious when online, and use the CyberScout mobile app to help you stay one step ahead of identity thieves and fraudsters.